Tired of your Sophos firewall looking like a forgotten desktop relic in your server rack? This Rackmount.IT shelf is here to change that, transforming your setup from messy to magnificent. It's a 1.3U solution that's specifically designed to house Sophos XGS 116, 126, and 136 models, giving them a proper home in your 19-inch rack. What really impressed me is how they've thought about cable management. All those network ports that used to be a pain to reach are now neatly brought to the front with pre-installed RJ45 couplers and included Cat6 cables. This not only makes connecting and managing your network a breeze, but also helps with airflow, preventing that dreaded overheating. Installation is surprisingly quick, taking just a few minutes with all the necessary hardware like bolts, hex keys, and even port labels included. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. The build quality feels solid, made from metal, and it's properly vented, which is crucial for any network equipment. This isn't just for the tech wizards. Rackmount. It has made this accessible for small businesses, large corporations, and government agencies alike, aiming to streamline cloud management and network connectivity. It's clear they're passionate about smart design, creating these customized shelves that genuinely solve common user needs for major desktop appliance manufacturers. If you're looking to bring order and professionalism to your Sophos firewall installation, this Rackmount.IT shelf is a fantastic, well-executed upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.